Hi all of you, back with another video on Linux. So this is my video on NTP. NTP is known as Network Time Protocol. Let me show you here. So this is a protocol. Network Time Protocol is an internet protocol used to synchronize with computer clock time sources in a network. Which means if you want to change your time in your Linux machine, if you want time of America of New York, okay, so you can synchronize that. If you want somewhere else time, you can configure it in your machine. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. So let me just first start my machine. Let me start this machine. This is my also Amazon machine image. Let me show you for new folks. Amazon Linux, this is your Amazon machine image. Okay, this is also a good machine. So let me just copy its IP. So okay, so let me just show you what is cronny first. Cronny in Linux. So cronny is a flexible implementation of network time protocol. Okay, without cronny you can't change your time. Okay, you can't synchronize it. So let me show you how you can do that as well. So it's time. I think my service now started, it's running. Let me copy its IP. Now it's time to paste it here, and now let me just open it. EC2 hyphen user. So let me show you, this is not my that AMI Amazon machine AMI. I love that machine. So this is my Ubuntu one. Okay, so let me start any another machine. Let me start this Git one for now. Let me start this machine and let me see uh, what is the key of that. I think this is the key, and let me open the putty. Let me change appearance to your 26 bold, this one, and color should be now. I think which one is good? I think white is good for now. SSH auth glossary. Okay, so let me see that what is my key. Connect glossary.pem. Yeah, key is this. So let me just open session. Now it's time to log in again. EC2 hyphen user. Now you can see I am in my machine right now. Sudo su to be a root user. Now let me just clear this. First let me install NTP. Install NTP. Why? Okay, to do yes. So NTP is installed now, and now it's time to install cronny as well. Install cronny. I think yeah, this is right spelling. Cronny already exists. Okay, so with the NTP cronny installed automatically, so that is cool. So now it's time to, let me see the date. What is date? So date, so by running this command you can see time as well. So this is time 6/1/17. So this machine belongs to Singapore region. So let me search time here. What is the time in Singapore right now? Time in Singapore 2/1, and this machine is showing 6/1. I think okay, this is universal time, so it is not of Singapore time. So let me check a time. There is a command time date CTL to check the time zone. Time date CTL, time date UTC. So there is no time zone. So this is your universal time. Okay, so Now it's time to change the time zone. Okay, like I want America right now. Okay, so let me so if I want time of New York show, if I want this machine to show the time of New York, if I want to configure this machine, if I write this command and it shows the time of New York, how can I do that? Let me show you. You have to write the command. Let me first clear the screen. So you have to write a command, a time date ctl, not space here, ctl list hyphen time zone, only zone. Okay, sorry, zones. So now you can see that it is showing me here is your region, here is your city. Okay, so let me just press my down arrow key, and now I can go here. So now you can see that here is your America started. So I want New York time. Okay, so let me come here. There is your New York time. So let me copy this stuff. Okay, and now it's time to press Q for quit. Okay, so now I run again this command, time date ctl set hyphen time zone, because this time your time zone is singular, so you use time zone only. Okay, time zone, and paste your time zone here. So now you can see that there is no error occurred. It means your time zone is synchronized. So let me show you time zone, not time zone, time date ctl. So now you can see that your time zone is now American New York. So if I run date command, date, so your time is 20440. Okay, so let me check that as well. Time in New York, 204. As you can see that my time zone is configured. Okay, so you can match the time 204 and 204 here as well. So you can, now it is through 205. Let me refresh this as well, 205. Now you can see that your time is now, time zone is your configured. So that's how you can do this as well. So this is known as NTP protocol. Make sure your time date ctl here NTP is enabled, yes. NTP synchronized as well, yes. If they are not enabled, so how can you do that? Let me show you. There is command system ctl enable. After installing NTP, you should do this command, you should run this command. So it is kind of a updated machine. Updated means that when I installed NTP, it automatically installed Chrony. Okay, so I don't have to install it manually again. Okay, so this is the, you can say, a plus point of this Amazon machine. But if you are practicing on CentOS Ubuntu, any other machine, another machine, so you should first install Chrony and NTP. After that you should run this command, systemctl enable NTP. Okay, and not enable NTP, enable Chrony D service. You should enable this service. Now you should also, after enabling, so first you have to start service. Where is my command? So first you have to start service, Chrony service. Then you can start service, system ctl start Chrony D dot service. Okay, so after enabling the Chrony D service, you should start that service, and after that you can synchronize your time easily. Okay, so make sure you install NTP and Crony. After that, the second step is to enable the service, currently service. After that, the step is to start the service, and after that you can set your time zone according to your preference. Okay, so I think, yeah, this video is all about NTP, and I hope this video helps you a lot. And if this video helps you, you should subscribe this channel, also like this video as well. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. Just just stop this machine. Okay, don't don't forget to stop this machine. I always say, forget to subscribe, forget to like, but don't forget to stop this machine, because it can give you a huge bill. Okay, so keep in mind that you don't do this mistake. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's about for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.